What about Head in the Sand? Rico Motor told him a story about Big Red, but the bird was long red and not black. What is it? At an ostrich. With ostrich are friends, they hide them in the sand. They think that if they cannot see, then that will happen. One day, an ostrich was bitten by a wolf. It was really sad, so he beat the sand. The bird was that if the clown see the wolf, the, the wolf can't see the anteater, but the wolf saw the rest of ostrich and he quickly that the bird. Rico laughed. What about that? Rico mother said, yes, building dinner don't exist not does not is so. Thank you, Jimmy. Bye.